Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel where we talk about skincare, grooming, and sometimes hair, so that sounds like a thing. Make sure you are subscribed. Also, come and follow me on Instagram where I post a lot of stuff you're not going to see here on YouTube. So science within skincare and ingredients having scientific backing has become such an important thing to us as consumers when it comes to skincare, right? And a lot of these scientific based brands concentrate on one single ingredient, and I feel like they're all kind of becoming the same thing. Focusing on ingredients, active ingredients we've never heard of, we don't know what ones to mix, we don't really know what they're supposed to do or when to use them. It can all get very, very confusing. There's this overwhelming feeling of, I need to use that, I have to buy that and my skin probably needs it, even if we don't. But I also get the need for simplified products, simplified skincare routines that are backed by science, that are no nonsense and also just do their job. And a good one at that. And whilst all these single ingredient products are good for their price, I do just miss well-formulated skincare products that offer many benefits in one product. So today I want to introduce you to a brand that you may or may not heard of before, and they are the sponsor of today's video, and that is Indeed Labs. Indeed Labs is an innovative skincare brand that use unique technologies to create effective and unique formulations. You may know them for, this is how I knew of them, for creating Nanoblur. This is a skin blurring cream that was really the first of its kind. So they really have been at the forefront of the skincare industry for a very, very long time when it comes to innovation and unique formulations. They are now available here in the UK in Superdrug. You may have seen them in Boots, but they are now in Superdrug. And today I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite products that I've been able to try from Indeed Labs. And those include the Hydrolon Cream Cleanser, Vitamin C Brightening Drops, and the Hydrolon Serum. I've actually been enjoying these products. So how sponsorships work is they send me some products, I try them out. If I like them, I take the sponsorship. And I've been enjoying these products so much that I actually went and bought quite a few of their products for myself. So I probably, I probably bought about 10 extra products that I've been trying and absolutely loving. So if you enjoy this video, let me know, and let me know if you want to see more of this brand, because I'm just loving the simplicity of this brand, but the effectiveness of their products as well. Let's start off with the Hydrolon Cream Cleanser. This is a very gentle exfoliating cleanser that effectively washes away your makeup, sunscreen, dirt, all that stuff that gathers on your face during the day. And this cleanser uses a coconut-based surfactant, which means it's non-drying even for the driest of skin types, yet gives an effective clean without attacking our skin's moisture barrier, especially in the colder months. That is really, really something we want to be taking care of. You'll see that this cleanser creates a nice milky cream rather than a foam, and you kind of expect it to start foaming up even more, but it stays in this milky consistency, and once it's rinsed away, the skin feels pretty much untouched other than those excess oils, etc. are off your face. Unbothered skin, yet sufficiently cleansed. Papaya enzymes are also known to be a very gentle exfoliation, gentle but effective, really making this cleanser gentle, so gentle enough to use every day alongside your favorite exfoliating toner or scrub. Of course, you have hyaluronic acid and glycerin in here, two very popular humectants that trap that water, hold on to that hydration, and plump up our skin and make it look hydrated. We also have grapeseed oil, keeping that hydration locked in, our skin feeling nice and smooth and moisturized. This is really a great cleanser for all skin types. As I usually mention, I don't cleanse every morning, especially in winter, but sometimes if I use an overnight mask, if I've used a healing ointment on my skin, I do feel it's important to cleanse in the morning. So a cleanser like this is perfect for that morning cleanse, rinsing away those excess oils and leftover product without drying out our skin for the rest of the day. Vitamin C Brightening Drops, vitamin C. We all know, I have a love-hate relationship with these vitamin C serums. I've tried a few, and some of them I love, and some of them I hate. It's always 50-50. It's a textural thing for me. I have two vitamin C serums that I absolutely love, and I can happily say that I can add the vitamin C brightening drops into that list. So I now have a top 3. So why do I love this vitamin C? Well, of course, it's got those brightening benefits, helping target that uneven skin tone, dark spots left over from picked spots, which I don't do. It can also help boost collagen production. So vitamin C is known to be a good anti-aging product as well. We all know what vitamin C does. The vitamin C brightening drops are one of the only vitamin C serums I've used that has this milky hydrating texture to it. Usually they're more either just very fluidy or kind of oily. It was a very nice it was a very nice surprise to get this fluid, moisturizing, hydrating, almost like a very light lotion texture. So we have encapsulated pure ascorbic acid in this serum. Encapsulated actives are much gentler on the skin, so again, if your skin is prone to sensitivity with actives, encapsulated actives are something you may want to look out for. I believe they also slow down the oxidization process. Correct me if I'm wrong, I know you will. And Indeed Labs actually say that non-oxidized vitamin C can apparently penetrate skin 15 times more effectively than ascorbic acid alone. So that's interesting. I didn't know that. We also have, excuse me while I read it, biosaccharide gum 1, which is soothing, it's moisturizing, it's also a hydrating ingredient. But what's interesting about it in this particular serum is how it works amazingly with hyaluronic acid. So yes, we have hyaluronic acid in here as well, and hyaluronic acid always gives you that like instant plump look to your skin, whilst biosaccharide gum works slower, making that hydration last throughout the day. We also have volcanic soil in here. I'm not 100% sure what that does, but if it's anything like volcanic ash, then it's anti-inflammatory, which is always nice to have in a serum. Let's talk about the hyaluron serum. Whilst I really do enjoy the cleanser and the vitamin C drops and a few other bits that hopefully I'll get to talk about one day, I've saved the best for last. Now, you may be thinking, James, you always talk about how you're not too keen on hyaluronic acid serums. Yes, that is true, because nowadays they're all the same. They're all packed with every type of hyaluronic acid you can get, from the highest molecular weight to the lowest molecular weight. And it's just overkill for me. It was overkill for my skin. And they're all sticky, these like sticky, gloopy formulas that I just don't enjoy. And they're usually never formulated with something with other nice ingredients that makes the formulation nice to use. This serum, however, is so lightweight. It's very, very lightweight. It's almost instantly cooling as well on the skin. It's just got this nice gel-like cool texture. So of course you have sodium hyaluronate in here, and also red marine algae, which is, I think I talked about it in a video recently, I can't remember, but it's overall a moisturizing and hydrating ingredient, helping to retain moisture. It almost kind of forms this really nice thin seal around your skin. But also, according to Indeed Labs, it actually helps the hyaluronic acid penetrate the skin better, so you get that deep plumpness and hydration in such a lovely, elegant formulation. So I always do the sandwich technique with hyaluronic acid serums or moisturizers or anything like that, where I apply this to damp skin. I apply the serum and then I apply more mist over the top, almost like feeding that hyaluronic acid, and then I go in with an occlusive moisturizer to really help trap everything in. So yes, those are 3 of the products that I've been trialing a lot and absolutely love. Let me know if you want me to try any more of the products. I bought these ones with my own money. I'll flash them up here. I'm loving the mist. I'm loving the lip balm. What else do I have? The cleansing balm. So let me know if you want to see a separate review. Indeed Labs for me is that perfect mix of listening to what the consumer wants, using science, and creating these amazing products. And they're fragrance free, they're not tested on animals. A lot of their products are denatured alcohol free, paraben free, phthalate free, SLS free, mineral oil free. So while some of these things I look for and some I don't, but as a whole they've really listened to what the consumer wants whilst not sacrificing the science and effectiveness of their products. This is like the kind of brand that I'm excited to use more of. So again, thank you to Indeed Labs for sponsoring this video. But yes, I hope you're interested in this brand too. Check out their website, check out their ingredients, check out product reviews, and of course everything will be in the link down below. You can now get them in Superdrug if you are here in the UK. But that's it from me now. I will see you next time.
Ryan Little.